Today, the Ford Motor Company is unveiling new plans toward reducing emissions, and its CEO, Jim Farley, joins us now from the site of Ford's BlueOval City manufacturing campus in Stanton, Tennessee. Jim, good to see you, and thanks a lot for being with us. The UN Secretary General says it will take a quantum leap and climate action to mitigate global warming. Can you tell us about the BlueOval City plant behind you and how it's a game changer in your eyes?
It's a game changer for us, and good afternoon to you. Game changer for us because we're really starting to scale EVs. We're number 2 in the U.S. And with this plant, we're adding not only 6,000 American jobs, but hundreds and hundreds of thousands of capacity. And the plant will be completely green. All the electrons that power the plant will be green electricity. So it's not just a story about an electric vehicle. It's actually a much bigger story about modernizing our American and decarbonizing our American manufacturing and industrial system.
And today, Ford's announcing the first vehicle to be built at that plant you're at today, an electric vehicle codenamed Project T. It's a truck, or T3, excuse me, it's a truck. What are we going to see that we haven't seen yet in other EVs, and when will it roll out?
Well, our Lightning is a best-selling electric pickup in the U.S., but this will be its successor, and it'll be fully software updatable, so over the air we'll be able to change and improve the truck every day for our customers. And we think it'll be the first technology we're going to land where on a sunny day on the highway you'll be able to go to sleep in your Ford truck. So it'll have autonomous features for commuters where you're going to get the most precious thing in your life back, which is time.
And Jim, it is no secret that Ford has clearly embraced the electrical vehicle market, as have others, and yet EVs have faced their share of problems. About 18 Ford F-150 Lightnings had to be recalled for a battery fire issue earlier this year. There have been Tesla battery fires. GM, BMW, Volvo all had recalls due to EV fire risks. How can you assure people that your EVs are safe?
Well, I'm so proud of the Lightning team. They stopped production. We stopped the battery production. We did everything we needed to do. We found that fire. It happened at Ford, not in customers' hands. We did exactly the right thing. Unlike other brands, we stopped the production. None of them got out in customers' hands. And that's exactly what we have to do to build a trusted brand on EV. We're also going to diverse battery chemistry that has less risk, like the LFP battery plant we're building in Michigan.
We have to talk about money. EVs are expensive, more expensive than traditional cars. So if this is supposed to be better for our planet, how do you make these vehicles affordable so everyone who wants one can actually have one?
Yeah, great question. And that's a big part of Ford. Obviously, we democratized affordable vehicles, so that's a big part of our DNA. I think the first part is we have to design the vehicle differently to be a lot more simpler. We have to scale to hundreds of thousands from tens of thousands like today. We're going to have a more efficient distribution without inventory like we have today with our dealers. And we're going to have to build it with less labor content. So we have to change everything, basically.
Jim, before you go, the UN climate report says we have to cut global emissions in half by 2030 and net zero by 2050 to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. Are you optimistic that the world can reach that goal? Is it possible?
It's possible if companies like Ford do what we got to do. It's absolutely possible.
All right, Jim, thank you very much. We understand the wind is blowing where you are. We wish you well out there in that weather system that is headed in your direction.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.